Good morning. I've decided to sit myself down at my desk and write a little bit of a to-do list for the day. I've got my coffee. I've got Gerald out there cleaning the floors. So I'm gonna get in and write my to-do list. This is my little daily planner from the inventory. I'm gonna write my to-do list in here. There's also a section that you can pick out like the 3 most important tasks for the day. But I'm gonna get in, write this to-do list, and get on with my Monday. I've just made myself a bagel with cream cheese, chili flakes, salt, pepper, and some hemp seeds as well. I really need to do groceries today. I do not have much food left at all. So I'm gonna eat this, jump in the shower, and get ready for the day, and then get into my to-do list. I'm a little more ready for the day. I had a shower and I washed my hair. It's super fluffy now. And one of the things that is a consistent for my Mondays is I actually have a coaching session on Mondays. So I'm going to jump on that call very, very soon. I've talked about this on Instagram lives before, but I love my coaching sessions, and I have one, today. I have one every Monday, and it's just a nice way to start my week and kind of keep me feeling a little bit routined and consistent for the beginning of the week. So I'm gonna do that, and then I can get into some of the other stuff on my list. I've just been hanging out on the couch for a minute. My call's done. I'm finally updating my computer. I am so bad at updating my computer. I leave it so long between updates because one, it takes forever, and then you have to close all the apps and everything. So I'm gonna leave this here and let it do its thing and actually let my computer, you know, survive and not die on me. It's better to update than to not. Something I want to do right now though is actually put these shelves into my TV unit. So this is my TV unit. This is new. It arrived the other day from IKEA. I built most of it on Friday, so I'll chuck a clip in here. I built most of it on Friday, and then yesterday I decided to get in and do the doors and the drawers, and then I forgot the shelves, and I actually have to take the doors off to put the shelves in. So I'm gonna do this now, just get this over and done with, and then I'm gonna probably do some other chores and things around the house. Okay, I'm done. So this is the Bester unit from IKEA. It's the one that has the 2 drawers in the middle and then the glass doors with the glass shelves. I did make a mistake and I put this shelf on the 8th notch down instead of the 9th. So it should look like this one, but it's fine. I can change it later. I just can't be bothered to do it right now. But it's all coming together. I'm gonna get some legs for it so it's not sitting like directly on the ground, but I am gonna do a DIY with it, and I'm just waiting for the DIY supplies to arrive. But I'm very excited. It's so nice to finally have like a TV unit, which I feel makes this whole living room space now like feel normal and like an actual living room. So that's done. I really need to order groceries. So I'm gonna see if my computer's done updating. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my online store, The Inventory, which has planners, both physical and digital. I'll have a link to it in the the description. But if you are looking to create a website, a blog, or an e-commerce store like I have, then I would recommend looking at Squarespace, as they have a whole range of templates to choose from to get you started. You also have the ability to connect to all of your social media accounts to make cross-promoting across the various platforms really easy. There's also a range of third-party apps that you can connect to for shipping, accounting, inventory tracking, everything to make running your business a whole lot easier. They also have a great range of analytics where you can see where your traffic is coming from and what products are performing the best, and that way you can make more informed decisions about the future of your business. So if you are looking to start a website, then head to squarespace.com and use my code, or click the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I like to do my grocery shopping on Instacart because it's so easy. You just pick all the items that you want and someone goes and does all the shopping for you and then brings it to your house. It's amazing. I'll have some information about it in the description, but I like to shop at No Frills because I just find it a little bit more cheaper than everywhere else, and they also have up the top here all of the things that you regularly buy, so it makes it so easy for me to just go along and just pick up all the things that I normally get. I don't think I need that one. I need some tomatoes. What else do I want? I can get some chicken. I'll get some broccoli. But yeah, so I'm gonna sit here, chuck a bunch of stuff in my cart, and then get on with other things and not have to worry about getting my groceries. Okay, next on the list is actually washing my bed sheets. I didn't make my bed because I knew I was gonna wash them, so let's strip the sheets and pop them in the washing machine. Washing machine is on. Next up, I'm just curling my hair really quickly because I would like to film an Instagram reel. So I gotta get myself all ready so that I can get on camera. I am done and I have made quite the mess. I did a Zara try-on haul and I now have clothes and shoes everywhere. Also, something I have to do this afternoon is take out all of this IKEA cardboard. It's on the to-do list. I'll get there. But I think right now I kind of want to edit what I've got in footage, and then I'll clean this up and then I will do the cardboard. Actually, before I do anything, the washing machine is done, so let's put all the stuff in the dryer. I just remembered I have a whole bunch of clothes in the dryer as well, so I need to take these out, put in the wet stuff, and then at some point today fold and put all of this stuff away. Reel has been edited, there is a thumbnail, so I'm pretty much all sorted. I'm gonna pack all of this up and then possibly take a mirror selfie as well, just to get some more Instagram content while I'm at it. It's starting to get a bit dark in here because it's actually 8 p.m. I just had another hour-long call that I had to do. I almost forgot about it actually, and I ended up creating 2 Instagram posts, and that took like 3 hours, and I haven't even done the cardboard that's in the hallway yet. I need to unpack the dishwasher. I also need to make my bed and put away all of those clothes. So I'm gonna do that. And then, oh, my groceries are finally coming in about 20 minutes. They got delayed, but they'll be here. So we're still making progress. It's well and truly into the evening now. Usually by now I have a very like chill night routine, but yeah, I didn't realize that like I was still making Instagram content after 6 p.m. It's great. Summer means it's light, but I didn't realize how late it had gotten. So I guess today I'm like working into the evening. Groceries have arrived. I like it when they try and put as much in the bags as possible. It's great. I use these as garbage bags so that I don't actually have to buy garbage bags. Dang, I forgot to write a note to tell them not to put the fruit and vegetable into plastic bags. I hate that. See how they've put fruit and vegetable into another plastic bag? I forgot to write a note to say don't do that because I don't normally keep my vegetables and fruit and whatever in plastic bags. But anyway, I'm gonna empty all of this and give you like a little grocery haul. Okay, so a little grocery haul. I've got tomato, like regular tomatoes. I've also got mini tomatoes, bagels, some canned tuna, broccoli, cherries. I've been eating so many cherries lately. Cilantro, although I don't usually call it cilantro. What's the other name for it that I usually call? That everybody, what's the other name? What is the other name for it that I normally call it? Coriander. I usually call it coriander. It's gotta be washed. It's pretty dirty. Some spring onions, carrot, cucumber. I got one avocado. I thought I ordered 3. I usually get 3, but I must have only had 1. Some milk, some edamame, and also some chicken. So I can now make myself dinner, and I'm trying to figure out what I actually want to make. I've decided I'm gonna light a candle, and I'm gonna do the what do you call it, the rubbish tomorrow. I can't be bothered to do it today. I'm gonna light a candle, take my makeup off, make some food, and settle in for the evening.